Well, this is my room in the Borneo, what is it? The Borneo Rainforest Lodge. It's quite a nice room. It's a little messy right now because I have my coffee pots and my coffee drinks and whatever, and my bug spray. 2 beds. I'm here by myself. Phone charging. Got a ceiling fan up there, and the bathroom is in here. And we'll turn some lights on in here. Got your toilet over there. You got 2 sinks. And in here, you got your shower that also leads outside to the little plunge pool, which I'll show you in a minute. And this closes up so that critters that can jump in there like a little monkey won't get in here because it's all enclosed. You might get some little bugs and ants and stuff, but that's to be expected. So you got a sliding door here and a multitude of light switches. And I can sit out here, and we're gonna take a look out here. We just had a little rain shower. It's hot out here, hot out here. So the lens is going to get fogged up here, maybe, I don't know. But there's a little tiny pool. The water's not heated, it's room temperature, and that goes right into the shower. And you also got a little thing here you can shower off there too if you want. And out here you got kind of a grassy area. They weed whacked it. They don't have a lawnmower here. Guy comes along and weed whacks it. You got your lounge chairs here. You got your remote for another ceiling fan out here if it gets too hot for you. Thing to dry some clothes off out here, but you gotta watch for the rain. Like I said, we just had a rain shower. So, and watch your feet, because in the dining hall you're not allowed to wear shoes. You can keep your socks on if you want, but same thing at the other lodge we were at. You gotta take your shoes off when you go in. And it's right, because if you're out tramping in the jungle, you got all this mud and everything on there, and you might have some leeches embedded in the cleats in your shoes. I got my socks off. I'm just in bare feet here. Stubbed a couple toes walking around here. And these little shutters are like Venetian blinds, but they close for at night, and you got a big curtain there to keep out the light. That lights up at night. And we're going to walk around outside here, but let me find my key. Out here in my room, I just locked it up. I got my shoes out here. Got my leech guards. You wear these over top of your socks. And then you put your shoes on, then you tuck your pants in the top and tighten them up to keep the leeches out when you're walking out there. And 2 people in our group did get a leech on them. Now it's hot and sunny out here, so we're going to walk over to the dining hall, and things have dried up quite a bit from that little rain shower. You can see all the wood is pretty much dry. Very hot and humid here. So I gotta see where I'm going. Going over to, that's the reception down there, and I'm pretty close to the dining hall up here. So boy, is it hot out here. Whew. I'm an instant sweat ball just being out here like a minute, because there's no breeze. If there was a little breeze, it wouldn't be too bad. No breeze to be had. So I come in here, there's a place, a couple of critters down there. Losing my shoe here. You can take the shoes off and leave them here. My little slides that I got on the airplane. Let the bugs crawl in them for a while. And here's the dining room. We got the bar up here. If you want drinks or coffee or different things, they'll make it up here. And this is our table. People have already eaten. I already ate. A few stragglers are still there. Having a oh, okay, good. And that's our table there. There's other people that can eat out here. And we got the river out there. Sometimes you can see animals. I saw a snake up there earlier. And as far as the food goes, you got all kinds of food here. You know, vegetable things, salad station, and We got all kind of dried stuff, mixed fruit. This actually looks pretty tasty here. I might have to have a snack. And let's see what they got here. They got white rice, turmeric rice, chicken here. We'll take a look at this. Show the folks at home. Still some chicken in there. Yeah, looks pretty good. Spicy, hot, and sour fish. For seafood lovers, there you go. We got a lot of stuff in there. Some kind of, I don't know what's in there. Beef gumbo looks pretty good too. And got plant. Sauteed potato with mushroom. Ooh, that looks pretty good too. And butter gourd with black bean. Ooh, look at that. Yeah. And saba veg. I think these are fern shoots or something. I don't know what that is there. But then you come back here and you got the ice cream corner. Ooh, I didn't know that. And we got our curry laksa. We got pasta dishes here. I had pasta earlier. So I'm talking to myself here. And you can make up anything that you want as far as the pasta dishes go. All kind of different pastas. They have French fries there. You got sloppy ciders. You can have fish, beef, or chicken. I might try those tomorrow. You got cheese there. And over here we got seasonal fruits. You got your dragon fruit, honeydew, watermelon, papaya, guava, pomelo, more papaya, more watermelon. Over here you got your little pastries. Those ones seem to go pretty fast there. So, and here you got your toast, bread and buns station. That's what we like, bread and buns. All right, and that's pretty much it. Coconut soup. I don't know. Take a look inside here. See this coconut soup. Ooh, I don't know. It looks like noodles. It looks coconut soup. It's a little too hot for me here. Okay. Well, I'm at the ice cream counter. I'm going to get 2 scoops of vanilla. He said this is a refreshing drink. Don't know what it is. I'm going to try it here. Let's see. I'm going to try this little refreshing drink. I don't know what that is. There's a little bit of everything in there, but it tastes pretty doggone good here. So, all right. All right, got my ice cream here. It's got these little jobbies in here or something or other. They have chocolate sauce too. I did not opt for that, but I got the sprinkles. Have my little drink here. The kid is okay here. All right. Okay, I had my ice cream, and there's a little lower level here. We're gonna walk down. I gotta mind my step here. I'm in my bare feet, and you can walk out here. And it's hot out here in the sun, of course, but there's the view there, there's the river out there. You can do little walks along here. We saw the orangutan earlier in the day over in this area here. So you can sit out here if you want, but it's very hot. And another trail down here you can walk. You're gonna walk down there. Probably got lights out there. My feet are kind of burning up here. So I think I'm going to go back in shade, and we'll go back up into the main dining area here. There we go. And now we'll head back out. Now we'll take another look here. There's I might have sliders later on, and dried pineapple. I'm going to get some of those in a minute. And this is the ice cream station. And they all kind of cold glasses in there, and different things. And a little lounge area here if you want to lounge around. And a little kids area up there. And I'm coming back to pick up my shoes here. And I'll put my shoes back on right here. Now I'm coming back on the boardwalk from the dining area back to my room, PD number 4 on the left. And there we're back where we started from here. There's my shoes and my leech guards here. All right, we're back.